Hello students, welcome back to class. Welcome back to class, welcome back to class, welcome back to class. Don't be a pain in the ass, be vegan, yeah. Be vegan from now on and sing this song, yeah. Welcome back to class everybody, and today's class is not sponsored by this kind of marker, Faber-Castell. But it's vegan, and you should buy it. Now, not all of the markers by this brand are vegan, but this particular one is. Yay! All right, so today is comedy class. Comedy class. The goal is to make fun of that vegan teacher, but without being mean. And you got to mention animals, and you got to mention vegan foods. So first up, presenting today is somebody named Ryan Comedy. So yeah, I got his card here ready. Ryan Comedy. Let's see if he's any good. Now, let's have a look at this. How long is the video? 1 minute and 15 seconds. That's good, not too long. Starting off good, Ryan. You know what? I'm going to give you a check mark right away. Just because of that. Check mark. All right. Check for you. Let's listen.
Hi, sweetheart. Can I test 2 songs for you?
That wasn't me. That was thunder outside.
Wait, what? What? Everything's happening so fast. Oh my goodness. Okay. What is he
Hi,
saying?
sweetheart. Can I test?
Okay, hi, sweetheart. Okay, so he is starting off depicting that vegan teacher as being sweet. She's saying, hi, sweetheart. That's good. Oh, yeah, and the title, by the way, is If That Vegan Teacher Was Your Mom. So let's have a look at that. Okay, let's give another check mark for that. Another check mark. All right, let's go back.
Hi, sweetheart. Can I test 2 songs for you?
That wasn't me. That was thunder outside.
What was that?
Okay,
wait.
That's a freaky balls.
Was that supposed to be me farting? Okay, well, you know, everyone farts. Did you know that? Vegans fart and everyone farts. There's nothing wrong with that. But, you know, I wouldn't say it wasn't me if I farted. I mean, it's just a natural thing. So that's just, I don't know. I wouldn't give him an X for that, though. Would I? Let me see.
Hi,
What do you
sweetheart.
think?
Can I test 2 songs for you?
That wasn't me. That was thunder outside.
I'm gonna give him a check mark because it's funny. It's just funny. Okay, put a check for that. How can I give him that kid though? Look at that kid. Now that's him playing 2 characters, right? Is that right, Ryan? So that is you and that is you. And you know, look at that face. Wow. If that vegan teacher was your mom, that pretty much is the face of my boys, I have to admit. So yeah, check mark to you. All right.
Can I test
Very
2
good.
songs for you?
That wasn't me.
Can I test 2 songs for you? All right, let's do that again. Yeah.
Hi, sweetheart. Can I test 2 songs for you?
That wasn't me. That was thunder outside. Okay, fine. That's a freaky balls. Not agreeing with me.
Okay, so can I test 2 songs for you? Yeah, that is kind of the stuff I do. Yeah, I would go ahead and test such stuff on my kids every once in a while, or anybody who will listen. I'll say, hey, what do you think about this? So yeah, check mark to you. Good observation skills. Very good. But what was this thing? The kid looks outside and it's sunny out, so it wasn't the thunder. Okay, well that's cute. You know, this is good editing here. Ryan, another check mark for you actually. That's very good. Good editing.
Okay, fine. That's a freaky balls. Not agreeing.
Did he just mention tofurkey? What? Let's go back.
Hi, sweetheart. Can I test 2 songs for you?
That wasn't me.
What is that? How do you do that? What is that sound effect? That's unique.
That was thunder outside. Okay, fine. That's a freaky balls. Not agreeing with me. You're a rat.
Tofurkey. You guys know what tofurkey is?
Hi, sweetheart. Can I
Tofurkey is
test
something
2
that you can
songs for
eat
you?
instead of
That wasn't
turkey.
me. That was thunder outside.
Stop it. Right on there.
Fine. That's a freaky.
There it is. That tofurkey bowl. Ryan, how did you even know that tofurkey is a thing? Are you vegan? Oh my God. Guys, what if Ryan's actually vegan? Oh my God, that would be so good. Okay, I'm giving you another check mark. You're getting a check mark for knowing what tofurkey is. So tofurkey is a replacement for turkey, so you don't have to have a dead animal on your table. Now, personally, I don't really eat tofurkey. I mean, if it's there, I'll eat it. But I don't go out of my way to make it because I just am happy with just eating a bunch of other things. But I've never really liked turkey anyway, like even before I was vegan. But that is such a great idea. Thank you so much, right? And look at the face of the kid. Oh my God, that is just exactly what a kid. What is that lamp in the background? That is so weird. Okay, anyway. All right, so check mark to you. All right.
Does not agree with me. You're a rat, Chucky.
Except for, wait, she's saying that Tofurky Bowl is not agreeing with me. Oh, that's not good. Because that implies that eating vegan foods is somehow not okay. No, I'm going to give you an X now, Ryan. No, sorry. Not okay. Okay, you want to speak highly of vegan foods.
Jeez, you're not a...
What? Wait, what did you just mention?
Songs for you? That wasn't me. That was thunder outside. Okay, fine. That's a freaky bowl. Does not agree with me. You're a rat, Chuck E. Cheese.
You're a rat, Chuck E. Cheese. Oh. I don't, I'm up in Canada. I don't actually think we have Chuck E. Cheese up here. You must be American. You must be from the States, I guess, right? I couldn't tell, but I tried to look around your site a bit, and it seems like at one point it looks like you're north somewhere anyway, because I think there's some like leaves changing color or something at one point. I don't know. I don't actually understand what's going on your channel usually, but anyway, this is a pretty good presentation.
You're not a mouse, you're a rat. You're an ugly, ugly rat. Go vegan.
What? No. Ryan? Rats are not ugly. You get an X for that. But you said go vegan, so you get a check mark for that.
So this one is for a protest outside Chuck E. Cheese this weekend because one of the employees was spotted picking...
A protest outside of Chuck E. Cheese? I guess Chuck E. Cheese is a place that, well, it's called cheese. I assume it's not vegan cheese. So you're going to have a protest there? Yes. Check mark for Ryan.
An Amazon Prime package, Olive report. And of course, no one should support Jeff Bezos because he called vegan icon Greta Thunberg.
Yes, I agree. Don't support him. Good. Too much money, not spreading the wealth, not sharing it. And shipping all of these non-vegan products. He should have a company policy not to ship anything unless it's vegan. Now, what did he do to Greta?
Chuck E. Cheese this weekend because one of the employees was spotted picking up an Amazon Prime package, Olive report. And of course, no one should support Jeff Bezos because he called vegan icon Greta Thunberg a spineless piece of human meat trash. At least.
Did he actually? X to him. Oh wait, this is your report card. Thanks for mentioning it. So you get a check mark. Okay, check mark to you. Yeah, Greta Thunberg is vegan and she is an animal rights activist. But recently, actually, she was in a commercial, like an ad in a newspaper, and she was actually wearing wool. Now, you see, she's an environmentalist, and I think what happened was that she got sucked in because she cares about, sustainability. But, it is wrong to pin down these poor innocent sheep and shave them to the point where they're bleeding. It is horrible. The wool industry is horrible, and I don't know what the heck went on in her head, but she just lost it. So, yeah, in a way, I don't blame him for being upset with her. I'm not that happy with Greta these days either. I don't know what happened. Did she ever apologize for that? Or did she, what happened? I don't understand what went on. Somebody research it and let me know what went through that girl's head. Because I always liked her before that.
That's what I saw in the Fox article I read.
A Fox article? Well, we don't know if that's true then, so it didn't even necessarily happen? Like, what's going on? I'm confused.
Rat, Chuck E. Cheese, you're not even a mouse. Go vegan!
You're a rat, not even a mouse. What does that mean? I guess you're implying that a rat is worse than a mouse? X for that. No. Don't want to be speciesist, okay? Where's my cards? I have some cards around here. Oh, God, I don't know which one it is, but I have a card here somewhere that says speciesism is the first form of racism, okay? You cannot compare animals like that and say, okay, I have them all in here. Let me see here. Okay, I have this one. If you're not vegan, you're an animal abuser. That's not the one I'm looking for. Oh, about vegan donuts, don't forget. Vegan donuts are sweet, delicious, and everyone loves them. So if you call me a vegan donut, I'll take that as a compliment because that's what Gordon Ramsay did. He thought he was insulting me. Ah, what a compliment. Anyway, what's this? Okay, end homophobia, racism, vegan for the animals. This is a good one. Remember that one? Okay, I know you can go to Bosch TV for recipes. Oh, here it is. Speciesism is the first form of racism. All right, so we don't want to say that one animal is better than the other. All right, let's just make sure that you remember that for the future. Let's keep going.
That one is a little bit different than the first. Just like a few melody shifts and cadence at the end. I don't know.
Okay, that's just funny. A melody shift and a cadence at the end. Okay, Ryan, that's cute. All right. Check.
Article I read. You're a rat, Chuck E. Cheese, you're not even a mouse, go vegan! That one is a little bit different than the first. Just like a few melody shifts and cadence at the end. I don't know about the lyrics. I'm not a huge fan. I just really don't want to be bringing down rap.
Yes, good, you realized it. Yes, Ryan, exactly. Not sure about the lyrics. Okay, exactly. That is what that vegan teacher would do. She would rethink the lyrics. Good.
Can be beautiful creatures like that rat.
Rats can be beautiful creatures. Exactly. Very good. Check mark for you.
And is a little bit different than the first. Just like a few melody shifts and cadence at the end. I don't know about the lyrics. I'm not a huge fan. I just really don't want to be bringing down rats. It can be beautiful creatures like that rat-owned business in New York City that licks homeless Broadway actors on the street like a shower. Except no, it's kind of a slimy business. If you want.
What? No, you cannot make rats work. What?
Shampoo added, it's like $30 extra.
Oh, no. First of all, you're talking about shampoo. Did you even check if it's vegan? Is it tested on animals? What's going on here?
Creatures, like that rat-owned business in New York City that licks homeless Broadway actors.
Oh, you're saying the rats own the business themselves?
On the street, like a shower. Except no, it's kind of a slimy business.
Okay, I don't know what is going on here, but did you take your medication today, Ryan? Because this is going a bit off the deep end. I don't know what's going on.
Shampoo added, it's like $30 extra. And the only difference is like the rat licks a Snapple bottle cap. And like they end up just smelling like rat saliva and peach tea. It's not the best system. Hey, bye, Mom. Dinner will be ready in time!
I love how the boy says bye, Mom. Wait.
Difference is like the rat licks a Snapple.
Look at the kid's expression. He's priceless. Oh my God, that's exactly what my boys look like. Check mark. Good job.
Homeless Broadway actors on the street like a shower. Except no, it's kind of a slimy business. If you want shampoo added, it's like $30 extra. And the only difference is like the rat.
There's so many good edits here. Look at that kid's face. It's just like, why is my mom in my room? When is she going to leave? But he's still being polite. He's not being mean to his mom, which is good, right? Because he has a good mom. His mom is that vegan teacher and she's trying to save the world and save animals.
Bottle cap. And like they end up just smelling like rat saliva and peach tea. It's not the best system. Hey, bye, Mom. Dinner will be ready.
I love the way he says, okay, bye, Mom, which is a polite way of saying, can you please leave my room now? And then what does she do?
Ready in 10.
Oh, dinner in 10?
Licks a Snapple bottle cap. And like they end up just smelling like rat saliva and peach tea. It's not the best system. Hey, bye, Mom. Dinner will be ready in 10. Nice, sweetheart. Thanks.
Aww. Dinner will be ready in 10. So his mom is a good mom. She's going to prepare a whole bunch of vegan food for him. And at the end, she says, bye, sweetheart, which is really nice because that is how you should talk to your kids. Be sweet to them. All right. Wow, this is great, Ryan. I am very proud of you. So let's see what you got here. You got a whole bunch of check marks. You got just a couple of X's. I mean, what are we going to give you? I think you get not an A+, but I think you get an A because you tried to be aware that, to mention that the animals, to not be speciesist, and you tried to, you made fun of me, but in a nice way, not mean. At the end, you made me be sweet. You didn't, make me do something like that's completely out of character. So yeah, good job. I'm going to give you an A for that, actually. Good job. A, good job. And you're going to get a little heart. Thank you, Ryan, for this beautiful presentation today in class. Wonderful job. All right, everybody, thank you for being here. Don't forget, if you haven't yet subscribed, to go ahead and press the subscribe button. And if you're not yet following me on Instagram, here's my Instagram. Okay, it's really easy to find. It's all one word, That Vegan Teacher Miss Katie. Be careful because there's so many people pretending to be me. There's all kinds of different fake accounts, but this is mine. It's all together, all one word, no apostrophes or anything like that. And yeah, find the subscribe button down here. Do you guys see it? Look down. Okay, look, do you see a subscribe button? Just look. You see it? Okay, and then once you tap it, do you see that there's a notification bell beside it? You see how there's a little bell? Okay, so press that too, so you guys can be here all the time. Because I love having you in class. Yeah, we're gonna have lots of fun. And don't forget, okay, when you press that notification bell, the reason you're doing it is you wanna help me to get animals out of hell. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now. Do 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 do. Bye. Gotta find the red button to press it. Okay, I'm gonna smile at the end while I wave. Okay, ready? Bye.